Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Su Vega, your Feng Shui guru and paranormal expert. Horoscope, Cancer, June 21 to July 22. Today is Thursday, July 18, 2024. Doing and undoing one's responsibility and duties, which we are all bound to. And what will happen if you do this kind of responsibility or duties assigned to you? Life would be rewarding. Just like Jesus Christ said, "Seek ye first the kingdom of heaven, and everything will be added unto you." So, you need not worry about material things. You need to worry about the kingdom that you are about to go to. Ang ating pong horoscope ngayong araw na ito, 18 ng Hulyo, araw ng Huwebes, panahon pa rin ng Cancer, ay may kinalaman sa ano ba ang obligasyon mo? Ano ba ang nararapat mong gawin para maging maganda ang takbo ng buhay-buhay? Lahat tayong mga ipinanganak sa mundong ito, merong batas, merong simpatya. Kaya nga, kung maganda ang iyong pakikibagay sa mga tao, aani ka rin ng gantimpala sa bandang muli. Gawin natin kung anuman ang naiata sa atin.